This is the new gimbal holder that was sent to me. It has been mounted. This is the old one that was damaged, and the cable to the old one is here. You can see that the power supply bracket has a problem. Wires are broken, and this was the problem with my old cable. So it actually crashed, and then I had the motor destroyed, and then I decided to order for this. So after fixing everything, I on the drone. So let me put it on. Connected the controller as well. So I'll put the drone on. So you can see that the gimbal does not give me any sign. It doesn't even shake. The motors does not move. Nothing happens. It just doesn't give me any sign. So I decided to connect it to the controller, and after connecting it to the controller, it recognized the drone. So I click on the go. So you can see that the controller was able to display the image. That means that there's the video is working, but the motors are not working. All motors are not working. So this is the problem I'm having. You just can't see the motors working. You see, the gimbal does not work. So the gimbal does not work, but the video footage is actually coming. You can see the video footage. When I turn it, you can see that there's video feed, but the motors are not working. I'm suspecting that probably the cable has a problem. There's the old cable, so I'm suspecting that probably the cable here to the power supply that gives the motors power might have a problem. So please, if you could send me the cable, I think I could rectify this. I believe the cable that came with this one might have been damaged, either due to transport or malfunction. So thank you very much. This is the problem I'm facing. Please kindly resolve it for me. If you can send me the cable or make a refund or resend me the order, just let me know what we can do about this. Thank you.